Hi guys, it's me Sam from Super Kilometer Filter, and today I'm going to show you how to install your mileage blocker. We start by removing the side cover with the removal hook. Pull the steering wheel backwards to create space. Loosen the steering column cover. Remove the cover from the light switches. Remove the side cover completely. Remove the ventilation grill. Remove the cover on the center console. It is not screwed on, but only clipped on. Now start loosening the screws. Use a 7mm hexagon wrench for this. Now remove the cover of the center console. Once the cover has been removed, you can loosen the screws underneath. Then loosen the screws in the lower area. Once you have loosened the screws on the screen, you can remove the ventilation grill and then loosen the other screws. After you have loosened the screw, carefully remove the trim strips from the instrument cluster. The decorative strip is only clipped and easy to remove. Further screws must then be loosened to remove the instrument cluster in order to access the plugs behind it. Here you can see how the module can be replaced with the dummy plug. The blind plug makes the blocker appear virtually invisible, which saves you having to remove it if you have to go to a workshop, for example. Now tilt the instrument cluster towards you and disconnect the plug on the back. Now plug our wiring harness between the instrument cluster and the previously removed plug, as shown in the video. Here you can see how easy it is to replace the module with the blind plug. Use this function if you need to go to a workshop or have a service appointment. Change modes via smartphone app or press the OK button for 10 seconds. Repeat the process to switch from mode to mode. Mode 1, 0% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode 2, 20% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode 3, 60% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode 4, the kilometers are counted at 100%. To demonstrate that the mileage is really stopped, here is a ride after we installed the blocker. Pay attention to the mileage. That looks good. No counting of kilometers. If you have any further questions, write them in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, your Sam from Super Kilometer Filter.